Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's try to check the given number is prime or not. Let's see sample inputs and outputs. So 12, 29 are said to be prime numbers, yes and yes. Similarly, 18 and 6 are said to be no and no. So basically, what is a prime number? A number is said to be prime such that it only has two factors, 1 as well as the number itself. So let's try to see what are the factors for all these numbers. So factors for all these numbers are 117 for 17, similarly 129 for 29, and 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 for 18, and 1, 2, 3, 6 for 6. But if you observe in the first two scenarios, the factors count is only 2. So then we can say that 17 as well as 29 are primes, but 18 and 6 are not primes. So let's try to understand what we are supposed to do for finding the given number is prime. So what we'll be doing is, I'll start from 1. So go until the number 17 or 29, whatever we take. So instead, we'll just simply say let's our number. So 1 to number, you try to iterate, find the number of factors we have. So if your factors count is 2, then you can simply assume that it is a prime number. So we already know how to find the number of factors. So if you haven't watched my previous video, I'm adding it on the top right corner. You can go ahead watching that and come back to it later. So now let's try to go to Visual Studio Code and write the logic. So I have created a file called primeornot.py. Let's first take the input from the user. So number equal to int of input. Right. So first what we'll be trying to do over here, you need to find the factors count. So count to be initialized to 0. Starting your for loop for I in range. So you start from 1, you go until your number including your number. So number plus 1. So if number modulus I, if it is giving us the reminder 0, then I is said to be a factor. If you find a factor, increment the count by 1. Let's try to first print the count and check. So what are we are trying to get? Let's give the value 29. The count should be 2. Yes. So what we can assume now, if the count is 2, it is said to be a prime. So if count is 2, let's simply print yes or prime. It's up to us. Else print the value to no. Now let's check for some examples. So let me start with 1. So 1 is not a prime. So the answer is no. Similarly, I'll go for 19. The answer is yes. So this is how it works, guys. Now let's try to understand what is the time complexity of this program. The time complexity of this program would be, so we already know that it starts from 1, it goes until our given number. So order of n would be the time complexity. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.